This is a classic Singer model 1591. This machine is in really, really wonderful condition. As you can see, there's a lot of reflection in the paint. It's hard to find a black machine that does not show crazing, crackling, or peeling. This machine does not. It just has very light use and wear scratches, but it's not crazing. It's very, very nice. The decals are good all over, even on the top. Decals are nice, and it's in excellent working condition as well as cosmetic condition. Of course, this is a straight stitch only machine. True reverse feed. This uses the vertical class 15 bobbins and 15x1 needles. It is a low shank, and it comes with a box of low shank feet and attachments and bobbins. And this machine could either be a worker for you, or it is nice enough to be a display piece. But it is super nice. This is 4 layers of leather using a size 16 needle. I believe this machine will use up to a size 19 or 21. I would have to look into that. Reverse. Forward again. Smooth between transitions. Perfect stitch. This is 8 layers of wool acrylic. Again, smooth between transitions. And 6 layers of real denim. Perfect stitch on both forward and reverse. That is your Singer model 1591 straight stitch.